Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to solve this question using exponents. So here's the question. If 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of 8 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of y? Okay, so if we simply try to use like substitution for it, it's going to be a lot harder. So if we try to do something like this, like 3x minus y equals 12, and we try to find x from here and then substitute it, so we can do 12 plus y divided by 3 and then substitute it, is going to just make it a lot harder. So what we're going to do instead is we're just going to solve it using exponents. So we have 8 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of y. Now we have 8 here, so we can rewrite this as base 2, like 2 to the power of something. So what is 8? 8 is just 2 to the power of 3 because it's 2 times 2 times 2. So we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of 3 and this whole thing to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of y, okay? And then this becomes 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x just becomes 3x, because a to the power of m to the power of n is just a m, and this is the power of power rule. And then it is divided by 2 to the power of y. And then this, we can rewrite this as, since the base is the same here, so we have base 2 here and 2 here, so we're gonna apply this exponent rule, which says if we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, if the base is the same, it just becomes a raised to power m minus n. So let's say if you have 2 to the power of 5 and then 2 to the power of 4, it just becomes 2 to the power of 5 minus 4 equals 2 to the power of 1 equals 2. Okay, so this just becomes 2 to the power of, we have 3x in the numerator, so we keep it as this, minus y. Okay, now notice we already have 3x minus y here, 2 to the power of 3x minus y. What is 3x minus y? It is 12 here. So we're going to simply substitute that value. So this just becomes 2 to the power of 12. And here's your answer. Okay, so the answer is A, which is 2 to the power of 12. So that's the correct answer. Okay, if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.